Is automated passive income even real? See, the thing is, most people think that automating your income and earning money on complete autopilot is about as real as a unicorn, or maybe even a cat riding a unicorn like you see here. But the truth is, there's a step by step process that virtually anyone can follow to get started earning automated passive income. And the best part is, this is perfect for total beginners. It works for any product in any niche. And most importantly, it's going to show you how to make sales around the clock and earn passive income. What I want to show you is the exact process that I've followed to earn tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions promoting other people's products. Now, if you don't understand exactly what I'm talking about, that's okay. Stick with me. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and if you like learning about making money online and making money with AI, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below so that you could see all of the other videos I make showing you how to get started making money online. So I've got the exact steps that you can follow here to start earning automated passive income, and I think it's going to be easier than you imagine. So before we go any further, comment automated passive income right now on this video if you would let bots make money for you. I know this makes a lot of people uncomfortable, and to be honest with you, most people don't even think this is real. But if you're watching this video, you are probably one of the people that has a sneaking suspicion that this is in fact real and people are making a lot of money with it. So if you want my free step-by-step checklist for monetizing content, that's at profitpassively.com. Won't cost you anything. It's going to go into more detail about what I'm showing you in this video here and give you something to follow along so you can check it off as you go and, pretty much so that you cannot fail. So step one is to register as an affiliate for your favorite software. So what does that mean? Well, we'll take a quick look at Google here. What is affiliate marketing? According to Google, affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns commission for marketing another person or company's product. In other words, you get paid a small chunk of change for referring people to products. When they buy the product, you get paid. Pretty simple. But what else I want to show you is something else that popped up here at the top of Google, and that is how much do affiliate marketers make? And so here you can see that the average for affiliate marketers is $82,000 according to Google. So not a bad salary, right? Especially for the average. And then when you consider that the top earners are earning hundreds of thousands of dollars, to me, this should show you that this is in fact real. It's not only real, but people are making real money with this. $82,000, that's a nice salary. And again, that's the average, with the top earners making in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. I personally even know people that are making millions of dollars with this stuff. So that's the first step, is to register as an affiliate. And I recommend promoting software because you don't have to, there's no physical products, right? Somebody clicks a button, they get the product. And more importantly, with software, people pay for software every month, which means you can get paid on a recurring basis each and every month, which is going to be a massive help in automating your income. So step one, register as an affiliate for your favorite software. And I've made it super easy for you to do this at copythelist.com. If you head over to copythelist.com, all you have to do is click one of these green buttons and you can instantly make a copy of my money making links spreadsheet. Now what this is a spreadsheet of all of the affiliate offers I've found for software, for different AI tools and automation products, and just different tools that people are going to use to run their business, and tools that kind of make it a no-brainer to continue paying every month. These tools save people a ton of time. People use them to make money, and so if a tool is making people money and saving them time, there's no reason that they're going to stop paying for it, which again is why I recommend promoting these stuff on this list, and that's available at copythelist.com. It's free. You don't even have to put your email in. Just click one of these green buttons and make a copy of this spreadsheet. Once you do that, all you need to do is click the link for the product you want to promote, register as an affiliate, and then we're going to be sharing that link where other people will click on it so that you can start making money. So we'll come back to the steps here. Step two, once you actually have something to promote and you've registered as an affiliate, step two is going to be setting up your opt-in page on a catchy domain name. So a catchy domain name is something that's easy to remember, like mine is profitpassively.com or copy the list, right? They're something that's easy to say, easy to remember. So that's step two. Set up your opt-in page on a catchy domain. So what is an opt-in page? Well, that's really simple. It's just a page where somebody can enter their email address. So I have a diagram of this process here to make it a little bit easier to understand. So this is the opt-in page. This is just a simple web page where somebody can enter their email address to get more information. And so if we take a look at my website here, profitpassively.com, this right here, this top section, this is an opt-in page, right? It just has a few lines of text somewhere for somebody to enter their email. And the reason that's important is because we can now trigger a sequence of AI generated emails. These are emails that we can write with ChatGPT in just a couple seconds. And what happens is once somebody opts in, these emails go out on a daily basis, bringing people to the offer that makes us money. So in this case, this is a diagram I was using for another video where I was promoting an offer on school, but this can literally be any affiliate link you want. You can promote anything with this system. So the way I get traffic into this system is I use social media. So here is a little representation of Facebook and Instagram. So I create posts on social media and then I set up an auto reply so I don't even have to sit on social media and message people all day. Anytime someone engages with my content on social media, they get this auto reply. It says, hey, come check out this link, and then people put in their information and this system runs on autopilot. So this is the overall zoomed out view, the simplification of the process that you can follow to start earning automated passive income. And the way you're going to do that is with AI affiliate marketing. So that's what I'm trying to show you here. So again, step one, register as an affiliate. Step two, set up your opt-in page on a catchy domain name, something that's easy to remember when you tell people so that they can actually go there and subscribe to your list. So then the next step, step three, is to create an automated email sequence. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, you can literally 30x your chance of making a sale this way. And if you want to use the tool I use to do this, you can grab it at funnelsforever.com. I'll show you how it works in just a second, but I want to get clear on just how important this is. So if you use AI, if you use ChatGPT, and in about 15 minutes, you can create and then copy and paste 30 emails into your autoresponder. So if you create 30 of these AI emails and you put them into an autoresponder, what you've done is you have 30x'd your chance of making a sale, because now instead of somebody seeing your link to the sales page for your offer one time, now they're seeing it up to 30 times just because you took an hour or so to create this AI email sequence. So again, if we look at the list here, set up your opt-in page on a catchy domain name. So I just also want to point out I use Namecheap to buy my domains, and check this out, $8.98 a year. So this is an extremely low cost business that you can start. Look, less than $10, you can buy a domain, and I just put an example here, fastcashstacker.com, right? Something clickbaity, something that people can remember, something that's going to generate a lot of excitement, right? Who doesn't want fast cash? So fastcashstacker.com, that's just an example. You can literally type in whatever you want here, and as long as somebody else doesn't already own the domain, you can buy it, and most domains are like less than $10 a year. So that's that. Set up your opt-in page on a catchy domain name, then create an automated email sequence using the tool at funnelsforever.com. So before we go any further, I also want to show you how easy this is. So here inside of funnelsforever.com, I'm going to click this button that says new site, and even if I come to single pages, they actually have complete websites and all kinds of stuff in here. But if I just click here on single pages, what I want you to see is there are tons of pre-made templates available. So these are basically landing pages that are already created. They already have images and graphics and everything you need here. So all you have to do is find one of these that you like the design of, click on it, and then you're just going to edit the text or the images, whatever you want to make it relevant to your offer, and that's it. So using these templates, you can literally have one of these opt-in pages set up in about 15 minutes using these pre-created templates. So then again, the next step is to create these AI generated emails. I'm not going to waste a bunch of time showing you how to use ChatGPT. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just type in what you want it to do, it does it. So what I want to show you next is the other feature inside of this tool at funnelsforever.com, if I click here on the sequences feature and come into one of my sequences, you could see again how easy this is to set up. All we're doing here is clicking buttons. So it starts with a trigger, and if we look at our little diagram here, the trigger again is the opt-in page. So once somebody puts their email into this box, that is what is going to trigger this AI email sequence. And if I zoom out a bit here, you could see that this just goes on and on. There's a time delay, then it sends an email, then there's another time delay for 1 day, then it sends another email, then there's a time delay. And literally to edit these emails, all I'm doing is clicking on edit here and then come to message and either typing this in or pasting ChatGPT content, and then we put a link in the email, and that's it. So nothing here is technical, nothing here is complicated. All we're doing is clicking buttons using a few different tools. And if we take the time to set this up in advance, this can pay us every day for the rest of the month or even for the rest of our life, which again is how we're going to earn automated passive income. So the last step in this process, at least my process, right? There's a million ways to do anything. I'm not the only one who does this. This is not by any means the only method, but this is the method that I follow and what works for me. So the last step in this is to automate your social media pages with chatbots, and I do that using a tool called ManyChat. It's at manychat.com. So if you check this out, what this allows you to do is to create again a sequence, just like we had the automated email sequence. Now I have a sequence here. So anytime somebody sends my page a message, or you can also set this up so that when somebody comments on your content, so anytime someone comments on my content or messages my page, then it sends them this sequence of messages, basically encouraging them to come to my website and opt in to the offer. So again, once that happens, this is all automated. So literally all I'm doing is making social media posts. This is something a lot of people do anyways. It's only most people don't make money with this. So if you're already posting on social media, all you have to do is set up the rest of the system and it runs on autopilot. And what you could do is just continue doing what you do normally, posting on social media. And then again, anytime you get a reaction, anytime you get a message or a comment, this is going to trigger actually, it has to be a message or a comment. I don't think it works on reactions, but you get the idea. Anytime someone comments on your post, anytime someone messages your page here, this whole rest of this process, all the way to the money, is going to happen on autopilot. The auto reply is going to send them to the opt-in. Once they opt in, they're going to start getting these AI emails. And, maybe they see this page a few times and they bounce, they look at it, and then they leave. But you have 30 of these emails going out. So even if on day 29, they decide to click the link and buy the product, well, then you just got paid for work you did almost a month ago. And you can see how if you scale this up, if you do this over time, if you're doing this every day, that is how you're going to be able to generate thousands or even tens of thousands or perhaps even hundreds of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. And it's really pretty simple. Most people overcomplicate this, which is why I created this video for you. 4 simple steps, and you can have a system set up that will earn you automated passive income basically for the rest of your life. So with that said, if you want to learn everything at your own pace without all the fluff that I have to include here on YouTube, right? Hey, look at how cool this is. You can make money fast. It's so easy, right? If you want it all without the fluff, then I encourage you to join my private community at profitablebots.com. At profitablebots.com, this is my school community, and inside that community, I've put every social media marketing course that I've ever created in the past, and I add new content regularly. So that's the place to go if you want to communicate with me, if you want to ask me questions and post comments and engage with the other people in my community. And again, just dive deep into the step-by-step process that I follow to generate tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. So hopefully this video clarified things and showed you that automating your income is not a unicorn. It's not impossible. The thing is, you just have to be proactive. You have to follow the steps and set this up, because if you don't do it, nobody else is going to set this up for you. You have to be the one to do it. So other than that, if you enjoyed this video, like I said, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below so that you see more of my content in the future. If you want to see it right away, be sure to click the bell icon. That'll give you notifications on your phone each time I upload a video. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.